This truck is about to get repoed out of a storage place. They came to get it earlier and they couldn't take it because they couldn't drive it. Uh-oh. It's a Ford, but it's older. Ooh, this could be a fun one. It's like an H50 or an H51. So, H51 is our ignition key. It does not fit in the door. Uh-oh, dropping my tools. Let's see. Does it fit in the ignition? It does fit in the ignition. Okay. So if H51 is the key, then H51 is the leashy. So we're going to put that in. Of course, it's got to be at an awkward angle. Who knows how long this truck's been sitting for? Could be a long time. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything's on the top. Well, 5. Not really. Alright. See what you guys can see. Don't know. That lighting is perfect, so. Let's see. Steering wheel is locked. I have a feeling we're going to need some WD-40 in this thing. Let's find out. Good, 3 is good. 4 is good. I should just spray it. Making my life difficult for no reason. It's pretty close, so. Yeah, let's get some spray in there, guys. All right, take two. They forgot their cup of coffee. I should probably put a key in there. I could do it this way, or I could do it this way. Do it either way, but I feel like this way is the easiest way to do it. Let's see, can we do it like that? I'll use my phone hand to hold it. Okay, 3 have to go all the way down. Let's see. I can feel them. I can definitely feel them. 5 is probably overpicked at this point. I'm going to ease up. Might be easier to okay, balance. It might be easier to use this as my turning as opposed to the leashy. Phone's right in my way, guys. Of course, the steering wheel has to be locked. Got it. It's about figuring it out, you know. I thought I had to pick that number 3. I thought I had to pick the number 5. Didn't have to pick either one of those. Alright, now, so that means 3 and 5 should be like a deeper cut. Right? Let's see. So we got, where are the wafers at the top or the bottom? Pull these out when you're first going in. It'll go in better. Alright, so we got 4, 3, 5. See, that's a deep cut. 1, 5. The ones that are typically like the deepest cut, like a 5, shouldn't have to get picked at all. See that? 5 and 3. So again, we got 4. So 3 or 2? 4, 3, 5, 1, 5. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5. Okay. Who's gonna remember that? Not me. I'll remember that. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5. Key blank. Key blank. H51. That's our key blank. Next. Direct. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5. Right? Is that the right way? Or is it the opposite way? 4 is number 1, yeah. Alright, let's cut this key. You want to see the inside of this thing? Nobody in here, is there? Oh shit, why are the cups moving? Is there a ghost in here or what? There we go. This car's gonna get repoed at 7 a.m. You guys have about 5 hours to come get it. Keys right there, whoever wants it.